What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today we got a really cool unboxing to do. I showed you guys this box in the last video and we're finally gonna get it open. We also got another box over there. I'm so excited to open these two boxes. It's about to complete, not complete yet, but it's gonna add to our desk setup. If you guys know, if you don't know by now, we got a new apartment. It's a new apartment vibe. We got the couch, we got a plant, we got the little desk setup right here. We got a TV. Not much, but it's coming together. We still need like a rug, maybe some like wall art or something. Comment down below, what should we put on the wall? I wanna put a picture of an SVJ, bro. Not only because it's my dream car, but also to look at for like motivation and stuff like that. I think like a black and white photo of an SVJ will be hard or something like that, you know what I mean? Anyways, we gotta set up the desk, guys. So we did the desk. This is an IKEA desk. The top is called Ekbackman, I think. It's like a countertop. And then I put legs on this side, and then we put this, which I think is called the Mom. It has like drawers in here, and you can put stuff in there. So this is the base layer. We're gonna add to it. Today we got these two things, which I'm so excited to unbox. So let's start with this one. This is from a company called eWin, guys. So my entire life, I've been playing video games. I used to be really into video games a lot, guys. Like every single day, 8 hours a day, always playing video games with all my friends. The Fortnite days, Call of Duty days. But all my life, I've been just using like computer chairs or even like wood freaking table chairs or something like that. I've never had a real gaming chair. And today, finally, in the new apartment, we're about to have a gaming chair. Shout out to eWin. They make a ton of gaming chairs. They're actually designed to be super easy to install. So let's open this up real quick, put it together. I'm so excited to open it. We went with the Night series, the black and white, which you guys will see right now. It's gonna match the whole vibe of the apartment, guys. So once we get to the gaming chair, then we move on to this bad boy, which I cannot wait to open that too. So let's open this up and check out the eWin chair, guys. I'm excited. I'm so excited, bro. I cannot wait. I've been waiting for these two packages. Also, Amazon lost one of my other packages. It was supposed to be like the RGB lights behind the monitor and the TV, and I lost them, guys. So that's the only RGB light that we have so far, but wait on it. Here's a big old knife. Freaking machete, bro. Oh my god. We got the desk legs, most likely. This is quality, I swear. Holy crap. Bro, this is so freaking nice. I'm not even joking. I'm so glad I went with this. They actually offer a bunch of different colorways. They do like red, blue, even pink, gray, gold. They have, bro, the colors are endless. We went with the black and white, and we did this just to match the aesthetic of the house. Everything's black and white in here, so, and yeah, I cannot wait. Look, it has little pillows, something for your back support, so it's super comfortable when you're sitting editing. You guys know me, I be editing vlogs all night for like 5 hours straight, so this is gonna come in handy, help my back. Just make the gaming and the editing experience just so much better, bro. I cannot wait. So it's supposed to be quick and easy to put together, so let's see how long it takes. And just like that, guys, the chair is done. Honestly, it was super easy. That took me like 10, 15 minutes maybe. It was super easy to install. I mean, if I can install it, you guys could do it for sure. But this was sick, dude. Look how good quality it is. And look how clean and new, bro. It doesn't even make sound, look. It's so nice, and it fits the whole aesthetic of the house. Look at all the colors you can do. I know my boy Kevin likes that orange one. I'm gonna give a huge shout out to eWin, guys, for the chair. This thing is awesome. I'm literally gonna put it to use today when I edit today's vlog. So shout out to eWin. If you guys wanna cop one of these chairs, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. And if you guys buy a chair, use code FNICK. It'll give you guys 20% off on your gaming chair too. So I got you guys on the hookup if you guys need a new chair and are tired of using little office chairs and have official gaming chair. This is the way to go, I promise. So first link down below, eWin, shout out to you guys. I freaking love it. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at?
Further back.
Sheesh, the airbag. And check this out. This is the best part.
Oh, shut up. You're at the dentist?
Dude, literally, I can literally lay all the way down.
No way.
Bro, that is sick. So however you want to sit.
Your hat right now?
I've always wanted a gaming chair. You like it?
I love it.
It matches the house, huh? All right, let's open the other box. All right, guys, next box. I'm so excited for this as well. I have been waiting for this forever. Same with the gaming chair. I've always wanted this in my gaming setup. Oh, look at this monitor. Dude, I'm so excited. I hope it picks up on camera how big this monitor is. Once I turn it on right now, you guys will see how big it is, but holy crap, and look at the curve of it. I'm so happy. I've always wanted that. This is gonna make me want to edit so many vlogs. Oh.
I know you're happy. Oh, No.
I have the basic one that it comes with, but other people do like monitor mounts, so it could be like more slant, and all this won't even be in the way. So I need to get that too. I need to order it right now.
This is crazy.
Wait for it. Oh, holy crap. 3 monitors and a TV, bro.
He's so
what
happy.
the heck? I gotta mess with the screen and stuff. Like, why is it so stretched and stuff like that? But I mean, as of right now, it's pretty freaking crazy. As you guys saw, the monitor was so stretched out. I think I need a new one of these. If anyone's very tech savvy, DM me on Instagram. Let me know what I need for a good desk setup. I need a good keyboard. I might go to Best Buy right now and see if I can find something, but I need a good keyboard, a good mouse. I need a good HDMI port so that it's not stretched out. I've always wanted a big monitor like this. And I told you, see, now the desk fits the monitor perfect. Damn, we just gotta add some more stuff, maybe some shelves or something where we can put like the decorations. Look, we got the GTS right there. Told you guys, trust the process. It's not even close to being done, so cannot wait to edit, bro. The living room's coming together though. But once it's fully complete, I'll do like a finished house tour and you guys get to see that. But I've been showing you guys a little updates. Hopefully you guys enjoying the little desk setup and the little house updates that we've been doing. All right, let's go to Best Buy real quick. I'm also gonna go pick up Kevin, I think. I gotta show him and I gotta show you the new F80 replacement, guys. So let's go down there, let's check out the car and show Kevin too. All right, guys, just made it into the parking garage. I'm not sure if you guys are ready to see this bad boy. The new F80 replacement, guys. As you guys know, I was involved in a car accident with my F80 M3, my beautiful F80 M3, my baby. And I've been carless these past couple days because the GTR is broken, the E46 is broken, it's not even a street car, and then the F80 is now gone. And for now, we'll see what happens. I still don't have an update on the F80, by the way, but I've been carless. So now we got a replacement and we got a car to drive for the time being. I don't know if you guys are ready for this one. 3, 2, 1. Here's the F80 replacement, guys. I know, it's so freaking sad. How do I go from an F80 M3 GTR to a freaking V6 Camaro convertible, bro? Probably the worst Camaro that anybody can buy, to be honest. Probably the worst Camaro on the market. I don't even consider a Camaro with the V6 in it an actual American muscle car. Like, there's no way, bro. V6 Camaro, this is what we're gonna be driving for the next couple of weeks maybe, or however long the insurance takes, or up until my GTR gets back. I think the GTR should be back next week, so maybe this will only be for the week, guys. But I do need a car to drive, so thankfully my insurance got me a rental car. It was either between this Camaro V6 convertible or like a little smart car looking thing. It was like a Mitsubishi smart car, little 2-door thing. I don't know. I told the guy, bro, you're tripping. I'm picking the Camaro. That little smart car looks like if I got in an accident in that thing, it would literally crush in one piece, bro. So this is what we're gonna be whipping for the next couple weeks, or however long it takes for me to get back into one of my cars, the GTR, or whenever the F80 insurance comes through and we figure out what's going on with that car. Welcome to the channel, guys. A Camaro V6. Look at this bad boy. Sheesh. Damn. Not a ZL1, but we got the V6. I don't even know the specs on this thing. How much horsepower this shit even got? I'm sorry for the little bit. I mean, you guys might say clickbait, but I'm not lying. This is the replacement right now for the F80. Trust me, I'm just as mad as you guys. I don't want this shit. I have never driven a convertible in my freaking life. And I've never driven a V6 Camaro, I think. Doesn't even make noise. There's no exhaust noise. Let's see. Sounds a little weird, bro. I don't know, this thing doesn't sound too good. Let's go show Kevin and some of the homies. I bet you they're gonna laugh, bro. Again, how do I go from a GTR to an F80 to this freaking thing? No disrespect to whoever drives this car, but definitely not my style. Oh, this sucks. Let's go pick up Kevin real quick and get his reaction to this thing. He's gonna laugh so much. I'm for sure gonna put the top down, bro. I know, trust me. I know you guys weren't expecting this bad boy. You guys are probably expecting a G80 or an R8, but again, it's just for a week or so, guys, up until I get one of my cool cars back. Trust me, I'm just as mad as you guys. I don't wanna be driving this thing. There's a traction button. It's not not too bad. Either way, guys, I'm blessed to have a car. I was so tired of being carless for like the past, it's probably been like 4 or 5 days with no car, guys. I was riding passenger with everyone, so at least something to get us from point A to point B, and for me to get to places so I can keep making these vlogs for you guys. So that's the main thing. I just need a car to get to point A to point B. So I'm gonna turn the traction off and try to drift this shit. We better make some fun out of this. I don't know about you guys, but I hate convertibles. The only convertible I'll get is freaking SVJ Roadster or something like that. That's it.
In the Camaro? Oh my gosh.
Go here.
Sounds like it's struggling, bro.
Why does it sound like that?
There's no way you're in a Camaro.
Convertible. Should I put the top down? In the rain?
It's actually, it's pretty nice.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
But how you go from a GTR to this, G? YouTube channel's for sure doing bad, huh? You vlogging?
No.
Bro, stop.
No,
Where's your vlog camera?
I don't have it.
Yeah, you do.
I swear I don't have my charger.
You need a vlog, G.
Congrats, bro. No, honestly, I honestly see you on one of these. These are
yeah, G.
nice. Yeah.
What is Nikon gonna say? Bro, we gotta pull up with them with the top down. bumping music.
Do it.
All right, we got it. Hopefully this thing works. If not, I'm gonna just order the one on Amazon. I should have. It's literally more than half the price on Amazon, but I'm just so impatient and I want to try to edit this shit tonight. So, what's up, Kevin? Now what? You want me to have a Nikon? Where the fuck do we park, bro? Oh, how mad?
Blending with all these basic cars.
I was trying to say, how mad is everyone gonna be at the clickbait today, G?
Oh, they're gonna hate you.
It's not really clickbait though. This is the F80 replacement, G. Sadly, I told them that I'm just as mad as them. That this is the freaking clickbait today. Bro, hey, I turned traction off, but it's drifting, bro. We're about to get Nikon's reaction, guys.
Jersey mics. We're in the
daily, G.
The daily. Oh, he's right there. Look.
No way. Oh, there's no fucking way. Get the fucking smoke.
Down, G.
There's a CHP right there. There's a CHP right there. There's a CHP right there.
Where?
He's about to fuck.
Oh, she's right here in front of you. Hard to like it.
Go eat fuck.
Bro. Oh
bro, so
that's worse than BMW.
There was really a cop looking at us? No way we did a burnout in front of the cop.
You didn't see him, bro. He was literally walking.
No.
He was
wearing the yellow jacket.
Oh, that was him?
There's a CHP right there. There's a CHP right there. There's a CHP. I thought he was in the car, and then I looked back. He's right here.
Oh my god. You like the car, G?
Yeah. You should have got the Eco Boost.
Bro, it was either between that or like a freaking, it was a smart car, bro.
No way.
And I was like, I'm not taking it.
You should have got that, bro.
I told the guy, I'm like, bro, I'm gonna freaking die in that. At least this looks kinda cool, bro. But yeah, we watched back the footage right now and I did not know that guy was a cop. You can see the guy in the yellow coat. He's a CHP officer walking by. We literally did a burnout in front of him, bro.
I know, you're crazy.
Oh,
how'd you not see him? He's
I didn't see
wearing
anything.
a big highlighter jacket.
I thought it was just some dude with a raincoat. You got a ticket and got the car impounded today?
What?
Guys are really in the top down with the rain.
Bro! Get Nikon's reaction.
There's no way we're driving the top down. We're literally gonna be soaked by the time we get there. Look at my camera, it's already wet.
All over Harris.
Harris really was doing this that one day on the freeway. They're in the e-tron. Bro, there's no way.
Top down, motherfucker!
Bro,
let's go do donuts. It's legit down the street.
let's go do it this.
So you swear?
I swear I'll do it.
Alright, we'll do it today.
Bro, the whole car is soaked, G. Guys, guess what we're about to do? I don't think I never showed my hair, but you guys remember when I had pink hair, then I went to blonde, then we did gray, and well, it's finally all grown out and it's all gone, bro. There's no more gray, so we're about to re-dye my hair gray right now. I'm excited. We bleach it, then dye it. And I'm gonna show you guys the process because last time I didn't. I just did it randomly and I didn't show it. So let's do it. Comment down below who's a barber who can pull up and cut my hair right now. Because I need a haircut, bro. This is bad. I'm looking crusty, but I'm gonna dye it real quick and then go get a haircut. So let's get to it, guys. I'm excited, but I'm also scared because this shit burns. This is no joke. Look, here's the bleach.
We've done this before, and it took like 2.5 hours, so.
Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't take that long. probably is, but I think you guys are gonna get to see me with this little ugly clear cap. I'm gonna look like Buzz Lightyear, bro. If you guys do want to copy me, look, we got this thing. I don't know, we're about to try it for the first time. The bleach, what, you mix it with this?
Yeah, 30 volume developer.
And then we're gonna put this little cap on. Look at this bad boy. I'm about to look so dumb, but when it's all done and I get the haircut, it's gonna look sick. Watch, it's gonna look fire when it's all done. Cool when it's done, guys. And I always wear a hat anyways. I just like my hair like showing in the front of my hat. And that's all that gray that's gonna show. Hopefully we only have to bleach it once.
No way.
No?
No, your hair's black. You guys, his hair's not brown, it's black.
I know, so the darker your hair is, you gotta bleach it multiple times. And like I said, it burns. And then the second time around, oh my God, your scalp is on fire. Damn, I haven't got a haircut in so long. I usually get haircuts every week. I'm going back now.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, we really doing it. I'll keep you guys updated. This is the most random vlog ever. Almost done, guys. With the first bleach. Already turning a little blonde. What the? This is really supposed to help? Bro, there's no way I have to sit with this. How long?
40 minutes. I'm sorry.
Bro, you guys gonna be laughing at me. Look how stupid I look. It's actually gonna be orange at first. Then we might have to do another coat of bleach and then the gray. Holy crap. I look like Slim Shady.
I actually got really light this time.
Usually the first time is orange.
When it's dry too, it's gonna be even lighter.
Miss a spot?
Wait, I can't see the... Wait, hold on. I can't see the camera.
We missed one?
What you do, bro? Bro, are you bored with your life? Bro, what the f is wrong with you?
Guys, we're bleaching it a second time. My hair feels like it's about to fall out, bro. My head is on fire, dude.
This wasn't a good idea, by the way.
I don't think this is a good idea, guys. The second time, bro, I look stupid for one. Second, I might go bald. I'm gonna look even more stupid. But by the way, guys, I did go get that cable from Best Buy and it actually worked. Look at the screen now. It looks insane. So now it's all stretched. Now it looks good. Go watch the new video if you haven't already. But yeah, the monitor is sick. I'm so freaking happy how this is so far. All right, let's go take this off. I literally feel like my head's gonna fall off. Bro, I look so dumb too. All right, guys, a little bit wider. Look at it. It's not as yellow anymore. So it actually doesn't look too bad. I don't know if I'm gonna put the toner in today, guys. I'm gonna actually wait probably till tomorrow morning because my head is on fire. The toner was what makes it more gray, but it also has developer in it, so it's gonna burn my scalp even more. I might just let it rest overnight and then put the toner in tomorrow morning. Or should I just do it tonight?
Oh.
I'm so impatient, but you guys will see the finished product in tomorrow's vlog. So I gotta let you guys, I have to leave you at a cliffhanger, but at least you guys get to see my hair like this. Maybe tomorrow we'll do some like donuts in the Camaro. If you guys want to see some donuts or drifting in the rental, comment down below and let me know. We gotta do something fun. We gotta make the best out of it. Hopefully you guys like these little daily vlogs. I've been literally filming everything. So comment down below. Do you guys like the more lifestyle stuff and just me vlogging more? I'm literally talking so much and vlogging so much. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. You guys will see the gray hair tomorrow. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.